In this video, I'm going to show you how to install Virtualenv. The first thing we're going to do is open up your terminal. Next, we're going to type in sudo pip install Virtualenv. And then you're going to type in your password. And that is how you successfully install Virtualenv.
Hey guys, follow us at Dog Potty Training Secret on Instagram for amazing content and tips and tricks on how to potty train your puppy. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe. Also, hit the bell notification. Thanks for watching.